Namaste, hello everyone, I'm Debolina from Airways. So today in the part 2 of the environment, we will discuss about the transport and communication system. So let's begin with the transport. Now what is transport? Transport is the means through which people as well as goods can move easily. Okay, why I said easily, because earlier people used to walk to move from one place to another, and they had to use their animals to carry their goods. But now you see, with the help of the or you can say that after the invention of wheel, transport became easier. Okay, and now through modern means of transport, we can very easily move anywhere in the world. Okay, so now you see, transport is the means by which people and the goods can move. Okay, the four major means of transport are roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Okay, so we have four major means of transport. So first we have the roadways, then we have the railways, then we have the waterways, and then we have the airways. Okay, so now we will discuss in detail about this, four major means of transport. So see, number one, we have the roadways. So you see, the most commonly used means of transport, especially for short distance, are roads. So you see, we use the roads, for going to, a short distance places. Okay, and you see here, roads are built in the, the terrains, like, it is built in the deserts. Roads are also built in the, forest areas. Roads have been built in the mountains areas. Okay, so that, we can travel easily. So you see here, I have given a star mark here, Manali Leh highway in the Himalayan mountain is one of the highest roadways in the world. So this Manali Leh highway, it is one of the highest, roadways in the world. Okay, it is not the highest roadways in India, it is the highest roadways in the world, this Manali Leh highway. Okay. And now we will discuss about the next we have, that is your railways. So you see, the railways carry heavy goods and people over long distance quickly and cheaply. Okay, so in the railways, people can go quickly and cheaply. Okay, and there are some places where super fast trains are also been introduced to make the journey faster. Okay, so now in the next we have, that is, so now we have the waterways. So it is the cheapest for carrying heavy and bulky goods over long distances. So you see, this waterways, through water, it is the cheapest means that you can use, when we are traveling and you are having, heavy goods along with you. Okay, so when you are having heavy goods along with you, then you can travel through waterways, because it will be the cheapest source to travel. Okay, so you see, it is the cheapest for carrying heavy and bulky goods for long distances. They are mainly two types. So this waterways are mainly of two types. Number one, we have the inland waterways, and number two, we have the sea route waterways. So basically the sea route, the sea route waterways is used to carry goods from one country to another country. Okay, now you see the next. Okay, the next we have is the airways. So see, this is the fastest way of transport developed in the early 20th century. So the airways is the fastest means of transport. It was developed in the 20th century. It is also expensive due to high cost of fuels. So airways is a bit of costly, or you can say expensive, because the fuels is the fuel of the airways, the fuel is actually costly. So that's why it is a bit of costly, or you can say it is expensive. But do you know one advantage of airways is that you can reach to the remotest area through the airways. Okay, a place where there is no no system of railways, a place where there is no roads, you cannot go through the road, or you cannot go through the railways or other ways, you can go to the remotest area through the airways. So this is one of the biggest advantage of this airways, and it is the fastest means of transport. Now you see here, some of the important airways are Delhi, Mumbai, New York, London and Paris. So these are some of the important airways. Okay. Now we have, so now after discussing about the 4 means of transport, now we will discuss about the communication system. So what is communication? Communication is the process through which you can convey your message to the other people, or you can say to others. Okay, it is a process through which you can convey your own messages to others. Now you see here, with the development of technology and human have devised new and fast modes of communication. So with the development of technology, we humans, we have taken up new modes of communication. Okay, if earlier people used to read newspapers and watch television more, but nowadays what do? Internet is the, you can say, internet can be a new example of the new system through which you can communicate to others. Yes, so internet is one of the example of this new and fast modes of communication, right? Because nowadays you will find everything on your cell phone. Even you're watching this my video on your cell phone, right? Okay, now you see, internet not only provides us with the worldwide information and interaction, but has also made our lives more comfortable. So you see, internet, it not only provides us with the information and it has provide us to interact with the world. Sitting at home, we can make a video call to any part of the country. Yes, right, we can not only interact, we can not only get information here, but you see, it has also make our lives more comfortable. How it has made our life comfortable? Sitting at home, you can book tickets for railways, you can book tickets for airways, you can order your food, you can pay your bills, anything. Or I would say that everything nowadays we can do on the phone because of the internet. So in this way, internet has made our life more comfortable. Okay, so thank you, and see you in the next class. I hope you all have understood. So please do like, share and subscribe our channel.